like, okay, but yeah, still nerves.
Please pull down on your restraint bar and secure it firmly to your body. During your ride, please remain seated facing forward, keeping your hands on
Just make sure you take off your Birkenstocks and put them on the pelvis along with your fanny pack.
This right?
No, but it's not until like the third swing through. That one kind of starts it. Hey, look to the right, look at the water. Oh my God.
Feels like my face is being squished.
I get sick.
That last was for my scream. That wasn't as bad as I thought.
That's good. Like, I'm not kidding. I could ride this for 30 minutes straight.
And the line's
Like, not, if there was no one here, just keep going.
Why did it feel like my face is being
I'm not
squished?
even exaggerating.
It's the G-force.
Like, I'm
Physics are weird. I know what G-forces
I
are.
could literally ride.
It's just honestly like a huge twin swing, man. You know, it's like I feel like with the playground, it's just like the biggest swing ever.
Yeah, it's
I
like
really feel like I'm upside down.
Yeah. That one half a second where you're just dangling.
Yeah, I really feel. I want to watch it to see, but it really feels like you are. I feel like I'm like this. It's really, I feel like I'm like tigress.
I barely ate anything. I didn't know.
Or like on Iron Gloves when you do that like half second like upside down, it feels like that. Second time. Both sides are good.
Please lift up on your restraint bar. Follow personal belongings and exit quickly and carefully. Thank you for riding Serengeti Flyer, and have fun during the rest of your day at Busch Gardens.
I think you'll get down.
Welcome back, riders. We hope you enjoyed your ride on Serengeti Flyer. Please lift up on your restraint bar. Collect all personal belongings and exit quickly and carefully. Thank you for riding Serengeti Flyer, and have fun during the rest of your day at Busch Gardens.